up, Mr. Krabs? Without me, this restaurant would never exist, fat. Hey, SpongeBob, let's get the secret formula to plankton.
Okay, Kirby, I wanna see it? Yeah. Yeah, Pika!
I'm gonna get you!
Hi, Mario and SMG3. I got a surprise for you.
Drugs? Yeah, we'll take the drugs.
Are you ready for the surprise?
Oh, yeah.
Hello, everybody. Don't you That does it! Oh, no! Crap.
Patrick, you're fired!
What did I do, Mr. Krabs?
Kirby, Mr. Krabs has fired Patrick again. Okay, hold on one second. SpongeBob, Mr. Krabs fired your best friend Patrick.
Shut the frick up, Jigglypuff!
Wonderful day.
Gumba, shut the frick up!
You know what? Not today, Richard. Not today. I'm not gonna let you ruin my day.
Yeah, it's my fault. The bomb was there. I didn't know the bomb was there, and then I forgot to defuse it. That's how we got here.
My name is Squidward Tentacles, and I think Mr. Krabs is a bitch.
Kirby! Smedley, open this frickin' door right now! Now, excuse me for 1 second. You can't talk to me like that. Now get away before I end you, okay? What'd you say? Come here!
Maxie, can you do the dishes for me?
Do it yourself, you crazy puffy.
You're not just talking to me like that.
Wait, what the frick? Oh!
You better listen to me right now. Go out there and help me out real quick.
That sounds like a you problem.
Oh, you take out your hand. Come here. Wait, what? Right?
I'm serious, Pikachu. He's gonna change the thermostat.
What are you even talking about, Pichu? Kirby!
Oh, Donald Duck, open this door! I'm gonna give you an old-fashioned whooping!
Oh, can you shut the frick up?
You're dead, Donald!
What's up, Kirby? Boy, there's no Kongs. They're just friendly Kong. Boy, why are you looking like that? Who are you? A frickin' dog? You are such an idiot.
You know what, baby? I'm getting sick and tired of
One that turned Kirby into a blueberry. Yes, I did, and I ate it. Ha 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 ha. That's it, you idiot!